Rungu rwa mathaa 24 thutha wa minista wa ukinyaniria na wonjoria wa nenda-ini William Kabogo kwihitithio, riu Kabogo niamakirite matamu ma gutwarithia ministry no na mbere.
Kazi hapa tutafanya. Hapa kazi tutafanya.
Kabogo akiranira gutambia ukinyaniria wa nenda guothe bururi-ini na gutigirira nginyagia wabici ciothe cia thirikari ciri nenda-ini niguo kuhuthia motungata kuri ya Kenya.
One of the biggest challenges in government business is corruption. I have a phobia. I have a problem with corruption. So when you see it, please don't touch it. Let it pass. Na hii kazi tutafanya.
Minista uyu nieranire gutacukiria makinya ma kiwatho nenda iria ciragarara unduire na guthararia mitugo ya ciana guku bururi-ini.
Should be able to talk to our children. We should be able to talk to each other and understand that this field is good. Information is power. But let us do things responsibly.
Ihinda-ini o riu Kabogo akiuria mbeu njithi kuhuthira mitambo ya ukinyaniria na njira iria iri na uigiririki, ndeto iria nyititwo mbaru ni minister munene Musalia Mudavadi na uria uraikarire giturwa kiu hau kabere.
It is important to be responsible. It is also important to enjoy the freedom that is enshrined in our constitution. Freedom of expression, freedom of saying things that you need to say, but you know that freedom is limited.
Maya mokite riria atongoria mathiete na mbere na gukirira mbeu njithi aria marahuthira nenda na njira iria itagiriire. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kuuga wa Boshi.